How to create Instagram story highlights. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can create Instagram story highlights. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, locate your Instagram app. Then open it up. After you've done that, go to your profile on the bottom right. So there you can see I have multiple highlights in my story. And if you want to add highlights like this, it's pretty simple. Tap on your top right corner on the three lines and we'll go to our story archives to find the story that we want to add on our highlight. You can do this from your story that you've just uploaded as well. Tap on archive. From here you should see your story archive. Tap on the picture that you want to upload in your highlights. Then you'll find the highlight option. Tap on it. From here you will need to tap on create or add it to an already existing highlight. Let's just tap on the plus icon. Then name your highlight. After you name your highlight, tap on add. And the highlight will get added. You can view on your profile. Let it load. And there you can see the new highlight. After a single highlight has been created, you can then tap on the new option right here to create multiple highlights.